Hey there, nature lovers! Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey? Today I'm diving deep into the heart of the rainforest to uncover some mind-blowing secrets that you probably didn't know. Get ready to be amazed. First up, did you know that rainforests are home to more than half of the world's plant and animal species? That's an incredible amount of biodiversity packed into one place, that's right. Every step you take in the rainforest could be alongside a creature that's entirely unique to that environment. It's like walking through a living museum of nature. Speaking of unique, let's talk about the Amazon rainforest. This vast expanse of greenery is truly a wonder of the world. It produces around 20% of the world's oxygen. That's a staggering contribution to our planet's atmosphere. That's why it's often called the lungs of the Earth. Without it, our air wouldn't be as fresh and clean. So next time you take a deep breath, you might want to thank the Amazon. It's doing a lot more for you than you might realize. And hey, have you ever heard of bromeliads? These plants are truly fascinating. These fascinating plants can hold up to 2 gallons of water. That's like having a mini reservoir in the middle of the forest. But here's the kicker. They create mini ecosystems. It's like a tiny world within a world. Frogs, insects, and even small mammals rely on these natural water tanks for survival. It's a perfect example of nature's ingenuity. Now, let's get a bit mysterious. The rainforest holds many secrets. The rainforest floor is so dense with life that sunlight barely reaches it. It's a world of shadows and hidden wonders. In fact, only about 2% of the sunlight makes it to the ground. Imagine living in a world of perpetual twilight. Sounds like a fantasy novel, right? Imagine living in a world of perpetual twilight. Sounds like a fantasy novel, right? But for many creatures, it's a daily reality. But it's not all about plants and animals. The human connection to the rainforest is just as fascinating. Indigenous tribes have thrived in these environments for thousands of years, utilizing the forest's resources for medicine, food, and shelter. Their way of life is deeply intertwined with the forest. Their knowledge of the rainforest is so vast that modern scientists often consult with them to discover new medicinal plants. It's a beautiful collaboration between ancient wisdom and modern science. Lastly, let's talk about the sounds of the rainforest. It's like nature's symphony, a never-ending concert of life. From the chatter of monkeys to the calls of exotic birds and the rustling of leaves, it's a continuous, ever-changing concert. It's a melody that never gets old. So next time you think about the rainforest, remember, it's more than just a bunch of trees. It's a vibrant, living tapestry that supports countless forms of life and even helps sustain our planet. It's a vibrant, living tapestry that supports countless forms of life and even helps sustain our planet. We must cherish and protect it. But there's a dark side. Deforestation is a major threat to these incredible ecosystems. We are losing precious resources at an alarming rate. Every year, vast areas of rainforest are destroyed for agriculture, logging, and other human activities. The impact on biodiversity and climate is devastating. Thankfully, there are many conservation efforts underway to protect and restore these vital areas. Every small action counts in the fight to save our rainforests. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey into the rainforest. I hope you learned something new and feel inspired to help protect these amazing ecosystems. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more nature adventures. Your support helps us continue exploring and sharing the wonders of our world. See you next time. Until then, keep exploring and appreciating the beauty of nature.